Put your hands up, put your hands up. Fire that blunt up, get crunk, get crunk, get crunk.
Get down on the floor and rock to the music. Put your hands up, we gonna keep you moving. Let me see you dancing, I wanna see you grooving. We gon' keep it crunk and gon' have a lot of fun.
Get down on the floor, party like you don't know no better. Rock to the music, let me see you do the two-stepper. Hey, you feel like you got it going on. Push your song, don't be crunk. Into me, don't bump. Move down, move, groove, girl, groove. Ooh. Do what you wanna do without the brew. Pull them close to you, push them off for you. She don't play no games, he ain't tryna hear what you're saying. You better put your hands on the door, but get your ass out the door. Furthermore, we came to have a good time and no wine. Not have nobody dying on the floor or taking the floor nowhere. Say the drama for your mama, cause I come to take it higher. Nigga, let me get your fire.
Get down on the floor and rock to the music. Put your hands up, we gonna keep you moving. Let me see you dancing, I wanna see you grooving. We gon' keep it crunk and go have a lot of fun.
I say chug, not shook, get low. Keep it moving for sure, throw yourselves on the floor. Move and groove, keep it real cool. Cause only fools fall in love with somebody from the club. But I guess it's alright if you're talking about real love. Up a past, everybody have the time of their life. And say a party ain't a party without majesty, right? It's out of mind, it's out of sight. You love the way we get you right. We got you dancing through the rest of the night. With our own styles, nobody can buy, right? You can't stop moving, we gon' keep you grooving. Look at what you're doing, brand new things, your majesty. Sound the K, jewel beat. I know the music make you free, and when you're here, you can breathe better.
Get down on the floor and rock to the music. Put your hands up, we gonna